Hello, Creations 2790 here, and I am here to review the Befree BFS-520 surround sound system. I haven't seen it here on YouTube and on any reviews, and I wanted to review it. So I got it off Fingerhut for $149, or it was $129. Fingerhut ups the price so you can build credit and pay it off. So thank you, Fingerhut. And so far I have already unpacked it and set it up and everything already. So unfortunately, I'm not going to show you the cords and all that come with it or whatever. But I am going to show you how it sounds and how it sounds on PC, on Bluetooth, and everything. Now it's not wireless. I looked on Best Buy and it said wireless. I don't know why. It's exclusive. It's wired. Five little speakers. Oh, them green beans. Oh. And a middle speaker right here. It came with about 4 to 5 cords, RCA cords, and it came with one, or was it 4 RCA cords and then one that had a 3.5 millimeter jack, millimeter auxiliary cord to RCA, which I ended up breaking because I was playing around too much. But I ended up buying a new one. So, but it took me a minute to set this up. So here is what it looks like. Auxiliary, no, it's on auxiliary. It has Bluetooth, surround sound 5.1 and 2.1. No volume, up and down. You stand by. You got your different inputs. Got your all 5 cords for on the bottom. It came. This is what I'm using for my PC. The front, left, and the right. So when future references, if you do end up purchasing this and you're looking for something for a PC, just the red and the white cord, go on where it says L and R right here, where it says aux audio input right here. So it'll save you so much time, because it's like, oh, which one do I put it in, and da da da. It's my first time getting surround sound speakers and connecting it to my PC. I'm sorry about the mess, by the way. Yes, it's pretty messy. A little lazy today, so. But like I said, I'm doing this because I didn't see it no reviews on it on YouTube. And it took me a minute to set this up, like I said, and figure out which goes where, and the manual wasn't really specific with what is what and whatever. The first one was understandable, but that's like what all this and goes there, and that's like, can you just label them or something? Like, it came with a remote, so all your inputs up here, your radio, USB, SD card, auxiliary, DVD, your surround sound button, and your Bluetooth. No volume up, pretty other stuff. I'm not sure why numbers is on there, but your equalizer. It's a pretty good remote if you're being lazy and you don't feel like going all the way up to the speaker. Like, oh, let me turn the volume up. Da da da. Do it that way, and I'm pretty sure we don't want to do that. So, but it takes AA's. No, not AA's. It takes AAA's. It doesn't come included, so you gotta buy it separately. Now let me show you how it sounds like on the PC. As you see, I already got the song picked up, and if I have any other song, it's gonna. do copyright or whatever. But here we go. Here's auxiliary on my PC. You might want to turn your volume down if you don't want to bust the eardrums, you know, because it is really loud. So turn it. I'll wait for you to turn your volume down if you need to. But here we go. This is auxiliary. So this is when you connect it to the PC. That is for PC. Really good quality sound, surround sound. It produced sound out of all the speakers, all the little speakers you got here. Here, center. Yeah, and the bottom one. So it did with all of them. It worked fine when I got it. And it also has a Bluetooth feature, so I'm gonna set that up on my tablet, and I'll definitely get on that. Okay, I got it all set up now. This is the Bluetooth feature on it. This is how it sounds. Hold on a second.
Yeah. And you all eat beats with no water.
It can go louder too.
Ain't much change. Harmonize, let that thing sing, I mean. Yeah. You ain't gotta like me, you gon' respect this. No glove on, you can catch this. All in the bag like Chex Mix. Son this nigga playing, but I'm not though. Flow cold is cold, got snot nose. I'ma make it plain for who nachos. I'ma tell you first, you nachos. Got 3 people I listen to. Out of every artist, only 3 center. Team kill everything. That's hashtag TKE center. Her Bruce Jenner is a girl now. Well, in my book, you still Bruce. Got more money to buy shots, but in my cup, it's still juice. Why everybody wanna blend in? Don't anybody wanna stand out? It's test time. Got to study kind. Ain't handing notes in his handouts. That's too easy. Do some work, boy. Take the gospel further than the church, boy. The word church was man-made, so don't ever call me a church boy. Call me what my root is. Before slavery and Africa, they took a heritage here.
Okay, and that is Bluetooth. It can go all the way up to 60 for the volume on here. Not sure why it doesn't go to 100, but I'm pretty sure it'll be extremely loud and push the eardrums out. So, it also has other inputs. So you have your DVD. Of course, auxiliary. You got your radio. You're in your USB/SD card, which is the SD card slot is right here. And of course your Bluetooth. I'm gonna put it back on my PC. All right. But that's pretty much it. if you're looking for a cheap surround sound speaker, something that you need something for just you live by yourself and you want to blast your music and hear something perfect for you. No, it's not the best of the best, but it's something that will be great for those who are live by themselves and want to have some great quality sound, cheap, and it doesn't break the bank. So if that's you, this will be perfect for you. And so that is it with my review. I know it wasn't the best of the best, like I'm a professional or whatever, which I'm not. But if you like this review, make sure to comment, like, tell me what I could have done better with the review or whatever. I definitely can take criticism, but that is pretty much it. And if you're wondering about my gaming setup, my PC is Cyber Vapor Elite. I know he's like, what is that? That looks like a game console. No, it's a when I first heard about what was it called, Steam machines. I looked it up and I found out that Steam machines don't play Windows games, and that pretty much sums. Steam has mostly Windows games, so I'm like, oh great, I don't want that. So I found a company called CyberPower PC, and they had a Cyber Vapor, which is for people who are console gamers trying to go into PC. And that they got a pre-built system for you, and you can even customize it. So yeah, sooner or later I'll go to a bigger TV. But this is just if you're curious about my PC build. Add me on Steam, Creations 2790. I hope y'all have a good day, and definitely make a like, comment, and make sure to subscribe for future content.